Today we have the 2017 Volkswagen Golf GTI. This vehicle has done just over 50,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access radio, media, smartphone integration and voice control. On the right we have navigation, Apple and Android CarPlay, our vehicle status and menu. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with front and rear parking sensors. Just below is our dual zone climate control with heated seats on either side. If we press our mode button just below, we can switch between our 4 different driving modes.